Here's a quick overview of how to use email. In Mail, you'll see a list of your emails. To open one, just click on it. You can reply or forward the email by clicking here or here. And if you click here, you'll find options like Archive and Print. You can navigate your inbox without having to return to the list view. Click up to see the previous email, click down to see the next one. To return to the list of emails, just click back. If you'd like to change the way you view your emails, click on View and select a different layout. You can change your folder view in the View menu too. Click the double arrow icon to turn it off or on. To write a new email, click the Compose button. Type in an email address or click To select someone from your contacts. Then write out your email in the box. You can add attachments in two ways. Click here to search for a file. Or simply drag and drop one into the body of your email. When you're all done, just click the Send button in the bottom left-hand corner. For more help with this or anything else, just visit talktalk.co.uk/help. For more help with this or anything else, just visit talktalk.co.uk/help. Just visit talktalk.co.uk/talktalkmail. Just visit talktalk.co.uk/newmail.